Today's weather is sponsored by the Eye Care Associates of West Kentucky, the Paducah location, located at 1748 Broadway Street, downtown Paducah. Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's December 17th, about 5 o'clock in the evening. Did not expect to see the extent of severe weather that we've experienced today. Was not in the cards yesterday, but temperatures being warmer than expected, that made the CAPE numbers higher, and that is why we've had so many severe thunderstorm warnings. We had near baseball-sized hail near Portageville, Missouri. Several reports quarter-sized hail in McCracken County. Quite a few of the storms showed rotation. Even one confirmed tornado near Kennett, Missouri this evening. I have not had a lot of time to analyze the data on the winter storm developing, but let me show you what I know right now. Temperatures continue to fall across the region rather rapidly. Let me zoom out here, and I'll show you the temperature map. Let me turn off radar. Temperatures in some areas have fallen already 30 to 40 degrees. Now, we did have highs topping out in the mid to upper 70s over parts of West Kentucky, already below freezing up here in Randolph County. Farmington, Missouri, below freezing. Carbondale, 34, 36 in Harrisburg, 73 degrees in Union City. Amazing temperature differences. Now, as the cold air moves in, we've got another system moving in from the southwest. Thunderstorms in the cold sector are now being reported. We've got thunderstorms in Massac County, Pulaski County, with temperatures in the 30s. Would not be surprised tonight to see thunder, freezing rain, thunder, sleet, or thunder, snow possible, especially over West Kentucky, Northwest Tennessee, extreme Illinois. Now, as far as amounts for precipitation tonight, this has been one of the question marks with this system. We've been trying to get everyone to focus on impact. Impact, rapidly falling temperatures, freezing rain, some ice on roadways, sidewalks, patio porches, driveways, and parking lots tomorrow. Let's walk through this. This is the temperature at this time around, again, 5 o'clock, and we'll just move through. You can see the colder air continues to sink into the area. 8 o'clock tonight, 9 o'clock tonight, 10 o'clock tonight, in the 20s over much of southern Illinois. Now, this model has Paducah reaching 32 degrees around 9 or 10 o'clock. I've been saying 7 to 9, 7 to 10, something like that. It's hard to pinpoint the exact time down, but you get the general idea. Cold air is going to continue to move in. Keep moving through here. At midnight tonight, Paducah 29, Carbondale 25, Evansville 28, Poplar Bluff 29. Below freezing in northwest Tennessee. So any precipitation that's falling during this time will, of course, be frozen. Let's just go ahead and move through the rest of the night into 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. You're reading that right. Potosi, Missouri, 5 degrees. Mount Vernon, 11 degrees. Carbondale, 11 degrees. 21 in Paducah, Kentucky. Now, this is a temperature drop of 40 to 50 or more degrees in about a 12 to 18-hour period. This is something you will not see every year or even every decade in our area. Very rare event. Let's switch over to what you really want to know about, and that's the winter precipitation with this event. And I'm just going to show you the raw images here as I pull them up. With all the severe weather, I have not had a lot of time to put in a detailed forecast with this, but we've got the general idea. The thunderstorms formed as expected, a little bit more intense than expected, but they formed where they were supposed to. As we move through tonight, another area of precipitation should form right on top of us as the cold air moves in. This is the Futurecast radar, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tonight. The red is freezing rain, purple is sleet, blue is snow. Now, it's anticipated that the amounts should be light. That's why we're talking about impact. Impact being the icy road potential, rapidly falling temperatures, some ice. A little bit of a question mark in West Kentucky and West Tennessee tonight. There is some suggestion in the guidance that a heavier band of frozen precip may develop over parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. The final impact will be the same. Again, icy roads, icy patios, icy decks as temperatures fall. Now, this is the HRRR model. It shows freezing rain this evening, tonight, especially over the land between the lakes area, northwest Tennessee, Missouri, Boot Hill, parts of West Kentucky. But you can see we dry out over the rest of the area. So, bottom line is light freezing precipitation should develop tonight over southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. Not anticipating a lot of accumulation, but it only takes a little bit of freezing rain to cause problems, as we've witnessed over the last 24 hours with numerous wrecks. Mount Vernon, St. Louis, back into Missouri, numerous wrecks just from freezing rain, and a light amount of it can cause a glaze on roadways. Whatever's been laid down on the roads is washed away during the thunderstorms most likely. So we're going to be dealing with untreated roads for parts of Kentucky, at least parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and probably southern Illinois. Whatever falls will probably cause travel problems. So let's not focus on how much. This does not look to be a large, heavy snow, freezing rain, sleet event, but enough of it to cause some problems tomorrow and tonight and tomorrow morning. Again, may see heavier amounts over parts of West Kentucky and Tennessee. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. A lot of question marks on amounts, especially since temperatures were in the 70s today. But as temperatures fall into the 20s, whatever falls, it will accumulate. We will have some ice on, again, patios, sidewalks, and so on, roadways. So use care later tonight into tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow probably will not go up very much. You're looking at upper teens to lower 20s across the area with wind chills below zero. 10 to 30 mile per hour winds tonight and tomorrow. Gusty winds coming in from the north, and that will make for low wind chill values. By Monday morning, most of us will be in the single digits to lower teens, wind chills below zero again for the kids at the bus stop on Monday morning. Dramatic weather day, a lot of weather changes. I have to say this is one of the more intense cold fronts that I can remember in our region, and I've lived here most of my life. So this is a rare event that you've witnessed today. We'll see how the freezing precipitation goes tonight. Again, don't focus on the amounts. Focus on the impact. Icy roads. I'll try to put together another video later this evening. Let me catch up a little bit on everything else.